Hi everyone, I just wanted to show you this compact spare tire that failed while under no load. It burst while just sitting in the storage compartment within my car. And it's about 16 years old, as here is the manufacturing date, 43rd week of 2002, and it's now December 2018. The size of this tire is 125 70 series, meant for a 16-inch rim. Has proven difficult to find. I've called a lot of places and nobody carries it. My solution was to buy a used full-size rim and tire, and it actually fits within the storage compartment of this 2003 Toyota Corolla. It actually supports the bottom of this trunk better than the compact spare ever did. The compact spare is lighter though, but because it was also shallower, it required this styrofoam spacer that also serves as a keeper for the tire changing tools to support the bottom of this trunk. It's 2 weeks later, and I just replaced the tires on 2 of my car's wheels. I took the better of the 2 tires coming off my car and had the tire shop mounted on the full-size spare's rim. So now my full-size spare is improved, which offers some assurance should I ever need it. I'm not sure if this is the permanent solution, but I do need a spare, and this seems to work. Thank you for watching.